Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Today we delve into one of the most powerful and personal chapters of the Quran, Surah Al-Inshiqaq, the splitting asunder. Revealed in Makkah, this surah paints a vivid picture of the Day of Judgment and reminds us that our entire lives are a journey, a struggle, leading us back to our Creator. The surah opens with a breathtaking scene, when the sky is split open and listens to its Lord, and it must do so. Imagine the very fabric of our reality, the sky that has always been a symbol of stability, tearing apart at Allah's command. The universe itself is in a state of absolute submission. Then, the earth is stretched out flat, with no mountains or valleys to offer shelter. It casts out what is within it and becomes empty, revealing the bodies from their graves and all the secrets it once held. Twice, Allah emphasizes that creation listens to its Lord, and it must do so, highlighting a profound contrast. While the cosmos obeys instantly, we humans often struggle with submission. This brings us to the central message, the key verse of the entire surah. Allah addresses us directly. O mankind, indeed you are laboring toward your Lord laboriously, and you will meet him. This single ayah captures the essence of human existence. Whether in hardship or ease, whether we are conscious of it or not, every single moment, every breath, every choice is part of this tireless journey back to Allah. The believer striving for paradise and the disbeliever chasing worldly desires are both moving toward this inevitable meeting. There is no escaping it. On that day, humanity will be divided. The first group will be those given their record in their right hand. This is a sign of success, of faith and righteous deeds. For them, Allah promises an easy reckoning. This is not a strict accounting of every single mistake. Instead, it is an accounting of overwhelming mercy, where Allah's forgiveness shines through, and He overlooks our faults. These blessed souls will then return to their people in happiness, reunited with their loved ones in the eternal joy of Jannah, free from all fear and regret. But then there is the other group. But as for the one who is given his record from behind his back, this is a sign of ultimate disgrace and humiliation. Their hands might be tied behind their backs, unable to face the truth of their deeds. In that moment of overwhelming regret, they will cry out for destruction, wishing for non-existence, but there will be no escape. They will enter a blazing fire, a direct consequence of their arrogance and rejection. Why did they end up here? The Quran explains their mindset. Indeed, He had been among His people in happiness. They were lost in the temporary joys of this world, believing it was all about pleasure and enjoyment. The root of their downfall was that He thought He would never return. This denial of accountability, the feeling that they would never have to answer for their actions, led them down a path of disbelief, but they were mistaken. Yes, indeed, his Lord was ever seeing of him. Allah was watching every action, every intention, and every hidden sin. Nothing was ever missed. Allah then swears by the magnificent signs of His creation, the beautiful red glow of the twilight, the night as it gathers everything into its darkness, and the moon when it becomes full. These oaths are not random. They point to a universal law of gradual change and perfect order. Just as the day transitions to night and the moon waxes to fullness, our lives are also progressing through stages. This is made explicit in the next verse. You will surely progress from stage to stage, from birth to youth, to old age, to death, and finally to resurrection. Life is a series of phases that we must pass through. No one can skip a stage. Seeing this undeniable progression in our own lives and in the universe, Allah asks a piercing question. So what is the matter with them that they do not believe? The truth is so clear, yet they stubbornly deny it. The surah concludes by addressing this persistent rejection. But those who disbelieve deny, and Allah knows best what they conceal in their hearts, their hidden arrogance and insincerity. So Allah tells the Prophet, peace be upon him, to give them tidings of a painful punishment, a powerfully sarcastic announcement of their impending doom. but the door of mercy is never fully closed. The final verse offers a way out. Except those who believe and do righteous deeds, for them is a reward uninterrupted. This is the promise of eternal success, an endless reward that will never diminish or be taken away. Surah Al-Inshiqaq is a profound reminder that this life is a journey, not a destination. We are all laborers, striving and moving toward our final meeting with Allah. It calls us to reflect on which path we are on, and whether we are preparing for an easy reckoning or a difficult one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this reflection with others.